Don Moody here of handymanreality.com and condorenew.ca. I'm at a sump pump and there were some adjustments that needed to be done. That would be the pump down there. This would be the float that turns it on. And you see that brown line? That would be the natural level of the water with this particular pump and float. Now, what you want to know, if you want to protect yourself for like cheap, real inexpensive, under 30 bucks, is you can get a moisture detector so that when you put water across those 2 points, it will set the alarm off. Much the way it sounds like a smoke detector. So you can get these from Home Depot for like 16 bucks, sort of thing, with and then add a 9-volt battery. What I suggest is zip tie pull the remote out switch, which usually has a 6-foot cord. Look for that particular one, and pull the remote out. Zip tie it to the pipe. Zip tie it above this coupling, which is what you would undo to replace the pump, and make one wrap around your zip tie for the height of your sensor. Now the sensor should be 3-4 inches above that natural line, and what I'm going with here is I'm going with the height of this pipe, which is going to give us in the area of, you can see how the water is trickling in there. So this pail doesn't fill fast, but it fills fairly quickly. It's going to give us at least 1 foot of water, 1 foot of pail time to replace the pump. So now, since this device, once it comes up to that point, turns on, should the water ever go past that point, then we want it to hit this alarm that is a couple of inches above that point. That way it tells you time to replace or service your sump pump, or just check the damn cord and the breaker. So this has been Don Moody of handymanreality.com and condorenew.ca. Bye-bye now.